Yeah, welcome back, guys. Bob here from Greybeard Models. Sorry about the time out I've had, but you know, family things and all of that stuff. So finally have the Ford AA pickup truck or tow truck completed. Just thought I'd stick it here in the factory ruins that I'm working on, just give you an idea of scale and proportion and stuff. It's come out quite well, actually. I'm quite pleased with it in the end. It did fight me a little bit towards the end, which was mainly due, I think, to my mistakes in getting things lined up. I thought I had things lined up properly, but unfortunately a couple of things had gone slightly out of kilter. So, and they posed me a problem, but generally speaking, the whole thing went together really well. Quite pleased with it, and yeah, it's a good kit. I would highly recommend it if you fancy a tow truck, something a little bit different, and it's yeah, a really nice Miniart kit. And there it is, all done. Got the driver in there, got the driver in position. Yeah, not a lot else to say about it apart from the fact it is a bit of a kit that it's one of those kits. I think, like a lot of Miniart kits, you've got to get them absolutely right to make them fit together properly. The tolerances are so good. But there you go, that's the Miniart tow truck kit finally completed. Now it's time to move on to something else. So, see you all again soon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see. And see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.